about our trip to Rome. I don't think everybody knows about it, but this is a huge, massive airport, and I really like it because hello everyone, we are finally in Baku airport and I'm excited about our trip to Rome. We have just passed the passport control and it usually takes some time for me because apparently there is someone with the same name who did something really bad. So I always have problems. They're checking me more than others. We are in the Cocoon area. This is a resting area in the airport. You have shops here, cafes. So I will show you the Cocoon area now. It's really beautiful area. I like being here because that means I passed all of the controls and I finally have some time to rest. We are flying with the Turkish Airlines and I really like this airlines because they have free Wi-Fi on the board for economy class. I don't think everybody knows about it, but you just need to activate the airplane mode and then find the Turkish Airlines Wi-Fi, and you can simply enter your surname and seat number and it will provide you a free messaging pass, which is not an internet for browsing, but it's more than enough for messaging via WhatsApp and even for WhatsApp calls. We have finally arrived at Istanbul Airport. First of all, this is a huge, massive airport and I really like it. I spend a lot of time here. I usually fly via Istanbul and this is an airport which is worth spending several hours of layover, and there are a lot of restaurants, shops. I will show you now. Right near the wishing tree. So this is an ancient custom which is coming from Central Asia to Anatolia. In ancient times, people believed that they can make a wish to a stone or a structure like this and the wish will come true. So nowadays it's this place here. It's very beautiful in the center of the airport, and I just made 3 wishes actually. I could not select one of them and I really hope that all of them will come true. We had our lunch in Cuisine Anatolia. It's a popular food court at Istanbul Airport. I tried several restaurants here in Istanbul Airport and so far this is my favorite. It has a beautiful authentic design. It's like a Turkish bazaar and they mostly serve traditional Turkish food. I even have my favorite dishes here. The prices are quite high as it is usually the case in all the airports, but overall it's a perfect place for a quick break before your next flight. Teması söyleyeceğim. Teşekkürler. We had our lunch and we finally feel a little bit rested. I'm gonna find the Wi-Fi slot now. Istanbul Airport is providing an hour Wi-Fi. It's so huge. I'm visiting it so often, but when I'm here, I always feel a little bit lost. So it should be somewhere in the middle, I think. Get 1 hour. Okay, here is our Wi-Fi password for 1 hour free of internet. With about an hour left before we needed to head to our departure gate, we decided to explore duty-free shops and they are just massive. The bright colors immediately lifted my mood, so I couldn't resist taking a look around. Welcome to my personal paradise. I'm not gonna buy anything this time, I promise. I promise to myself. I'll just have a look. Okay, the Armani stand is one of my favorite here. Another one which I really like is Guerlain stand. Buongiorno Italy. So we have finally reached Rome. And at this moment I'm very tired and very excited about our trip. It's actually not late here, it's about 7 p.m. local time. We are going to buy tickets to Leonardo Express now and we are going to go to the Rome Termini station. And our hotel is not far from the Rome Termini station, it's around 7 minutes walk. The tickets price I think is €15 and we are going to buy them here. We have finally made it to Rome and I'm so excited to be here. This place is amazing and I can't wait to show you everything. If you are enjoying the trip so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode where we dive into all things Rome.